Most people get this wrong when Ibotta stops working. They immediately assume their account is broken, the app is down, or they've lost their cashback forever. Here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, Ibotta issues can be fixed in just a few minutes once you know what's causing the problem. In this video, you'll learn the most common reasons why Ibotta isn't working in 2026, how to fix each issue step by step, and what to do if nothing seems to work. Let's get straight to the solution. If Ibotta won't open, crashes repeatedly, or freezes on the loading screen, the first thing to check is whether you're using the latest version of the app. Outdated versions can cause bugs and compatibility issues. Open your device's app store and look for available updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the app. Now here's where it gets interesting. If the app is updated but still isn't working, check your internet connection. Many Ibotta features require a stable connection to load offers, verify receipts, and process cashback requests. For example, Jake was trying to upload a receipt using a weak mobile signal. The upload kept failing. Once he connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network, the receipt processed successfully. But here's the problem. Not every issue is caused by the app itself. Sometimes users think Ibotta isn't working because cashback hasn't appeared yet. In reality, receipt verification and transaction processing can take time depending on the retailer and purchase type. This is where most people fail. They submit the same receipt multiple times or contact support immediately without checking the transaction status first. Before taking further action, review your account activity to see whether the purchase is still being processed. In a minute, I'll show you the fix that solves many account-related problems. If you're having login issues, try resetting your password through the official account recovery process. Also make sure you're entering the correct email address associated with your account. Another common fix is clearing the app cache or reinstalling the application. This can remove corrupted temporary files that may interfere with performance. Now here's where it gets even more important. If offers are missing, cashback isn't tracking correctly, or receipt scans keep failing, double-check that the purchase meets the offer requirements. Some offers only apply to specific products, sizes, retailers, or purchase dates. John thought Ibotta was malfunctioning, but he later discovered the item he purchased wasn't eligible for the offer he selected. If you've tried everything, and the problem continues, contacting Ibotta support through the app is usually the next step. Let's quickly recap. Update the app, check your internet connection, verify transaction status, confirm offer requirements, clear app data if needed, and use official support when necessary. By following these steps, you can solve most Ibotta problems quickly and get back to earning cashback. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and troubleshooting guides, and let us know in the comments what issue you're experiencing with Ibotta.